While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks and light.
Hey, telling me that my bones can manage. Even if my bone can manage, you will let me, oh. You will let me. You want to refuse me and you are in my house. I will not tolerate that in my house. You shall take me everywhere with you, everywhere you go. They will think I'm your woman, oh. If you come over here and think you're going to find any woman, you make a sad mistake. I shall make you and your woman life a living hell in Nigeria. Eh. Jeremiah, I'm coming, oh.
No come around me with no fake smile. Me know say you no rate I. Remember when you put me down, you underestimate I. When me feel like giving up, do me say ethic boss fly. Me can't forget the orders when mommy make us.
See what I tell you? You cannot manage the journey. That's why I didn't carry this morning, you know.
What you mean?
Y'all are faint on me.
What you mean I cannot manage?
You cannot manage the journey, Madam Josiah.
I can manage, oh. What are you trying to say to me? Huh?
That's why I didn't want to carry this morning.
You cannot tell me anything, oh. You get up this morning and you put on your shoes and you put on your shirt. And you're going to run and you mean to tell me you didn't wake me up and tell me you're going for a run, oh.
Because I know you could not manage the journey.
I could manage, oh. You think I didn't see you when you were looking on my body?
No, Madam Josiah, you're telling a lie on me.
From you enter my house, I see you through the dark glass, prepping on me. You are telling me that you like me. And no, when
Madam
I confront
Josiah,
you,
how am I supposed to
it.
tell you that, Madam Josiah, when you're my best friend, Mom?
So what's wrong with that? Because you are 19 and I am 76. You think you don't you well and love me and you're hiding it all.
Madam Josiah.
And because I open it, you don't want to tell me.
Madam Josiah, this is going too far now.
What is going too far?
I'm going to leave your house today.
When?
I'm going to leave your house today.
You will not leave my house.
I will leave your house today, Madam Josiah.
You're going to leave my house and I lock up your suitcase in another room, oh.
Madam Josiah, I've never been through this before. I've never been through this before.
What you been through? Eh?
I didn't come to Nigeria for this, Madam Josiah.
You pretend because you have your wife back home. You pretend like you don't want Madam Josiah. Well, when they see you and me, they will think we are wife and husband. Oh. Even your wife will believe it.
I'm leaving today.
Where are you going? Jeremiah, wait on me, oh!
While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks and light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. Oh, while you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks and light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. Oh, no come around me with no fake smile. Me know say you no rate I. Remember when you put me down, you underestimate I. When me feel like giving up, do me say ethic boss fly. Me can't forget the orders when mommy make out apply. Now me flying high like a drone in the sky. Making crazy money, no, not even a try. You can't stop me pagans, no, I judge a bless I judge a bless I. While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks and light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. Oh, while you sit and criticize me haters, I'm